Hello everyone, I'm Mariam Asadi and today I want to introduce a weather forecasting app that I've developed. This app is built using the Flask framework and the Open Weather Map API, allowing users to easily search for weather information for their desired city. The project utilizes HTML and CSS for creating and uplink and user-friendly interface. To enhance security, the API key is stored in a .env file to prevent unauthorized access. The code is structured so that it first fetches data through the API and handles potential errors, such as invalid city names or network issues. A custom error handling class has been designed to improve the user experience. Once the data is received, key information like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and the weather description is parsed and sent to the HTML template aligned with a weather status icon. Users can view this information in a beautifully designed section with animation and special effects. For the app's appearance, I've used a stunning background image of the Azadi Tower with a dynamic brightness animation to give it a vibrant feel. The design of buttons, forms, and info boxes is modern and elegant, providing users with a sleek experience. Text and icon animations add a playful and engaging touch to the app. I hope you enjoy my explanation and that this project inspires you to create similar apps. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or suggestions for improving this project, feel free to share them with me.